One of Turkey's largest platform manufacturers, UZMANLAR Platform has been operating for more than a quarter of a century. UZMANLAR Platform, which continues its production in its modern plant, located in Turkey's industrial city Kocaeli, leads many innovations in the world platform sector with its managers and personnel who have many years of experience. UZMANLAR Platform's plant is an integrated facility. All machinery and equipments required for platform production are comprised in the plant. The raw material enters the factory as metal sheets and is transformed into basket boom lifts after passing through many processes. Under the success of UZMANLAR Platform on becoming a trusted brand all over the world lies the importance given to R&D, quality raw materials, and materials with quality certificates tested in the production of platform baskets designed according to customer needs by an R&D team of expert engineers in their fields. Friends, we will make sure that the materials we use in production are of good quality and meticulous. We shouldn't have the slightest problem with the materials we use. Production means future, not only for us, but also for the world. Basket boom lift production is a serious business and never accept mistakes, because basket boom lifts carry people on them. With this in mind, the personnel of UZMANLAR Platform work with great dedication, attention, and motivation for error-free production, because as well as the use of quality and certified materials, quality workmanship has vital importance in platform production. We use the best quality materials in production. Quality workmanship is as important as using the highest quality materials, and we, the personnel, are experts in our fields. Safety is the most important factor in basket boom lifts produced by UZMANLAR Platform, which has the highest level of technological equipment available in the world. High-tech products used in defense and heavy industrial environments are used in the main control units and safety systems of all platforms produced by UZMANLAR Platform as standard. UZMANLAR Platform, which has developed a technological device that no one has ever done until today, and puts a black box on all of its basket boom lifts to be able to determine why the platform malfunctions and whether there is a misuse. The platforms produced by the UZMANLAR also provide ease of use for operators as well as safety. UZMANLAR Platform exports more than 50% of its production. UZMANLAR Platform currently exporting products to more than 30 countries in Eastern Europe, Russia, Turkic republics, Middle East, North Africa, Central and Southern Asia, and also grows in the markets of Central and South Africa, South America, North America, Far Asia, and Europe. One of the most preferred brands in the platform, UZMANLAR Platform takes it as its duty to be with the customer after sales. To this purpose, a strong and widespread technical support team has been established, serving 24/7 in many countries of the world. As a world-renowned manufacturer of high-quality, robust, and secure basket boom lifts, UZMANLAR Platform will continue to pave the way for innovations to uprise its customers safer and more secure. I am rising with safety because I trust UZMANLAR Platform. UZMANLAR Platform. To the top with safety.